My love, from Mars to Jupiter, this heart belongs to you. From Mars to Jupiter, I still be where you are. You're the wish upon my star, healing every hidden scar. Through the sunshine and the rain, through the pleasure and the pain, till forever calls my name. I will love you just the same. Before you came, the skies were gray. Then you chased the clouds away. Like the sunrise on the sea, you awakened life in me. Every smile lights up my soul. You became my missing hole. When you laughed, the flowers bloom. Love perfumes the darkest room. If tomorrow hides the sun, still I'll choose no other one. Side by side we'll always stand, heart in heart and hand in hand. If the mountains rise so high, we'll still reach beyond the sky. If the oceans flood the shore, I'll keep loving even more. Every promise that we made, never will it ever fade. Every heartbeat softly sings, you are everything to me. From Mars to Jupiter, I still be where you are. You're the wish upon my star, healing every hidden scar. Through the sunshine and the rain, through the pleasure and the pain, till forever calls my name. I will love you just the same. When the cold winds start to blow, I'll be there to help you grow. When the whole world turns away, I'll be with you every day. If your dreams are running slow, I remind you not let go. When your faith begins to fall, I will gladly give my all. Every mountain we will climb, every season, every time. You're the rhythm of my heart, nothing tears this love apart. If I had 1,000 wings, I still fly through everything. Cross the planets, cross the sea, just to bring you close to me. From the moon, beyond the stars, past the sun and distant Mars,